I just wanted to give you a quick overview of the new Shopify app features we just added in. I still haven't made it through that app far enough to make this the default option, so for now you're going to have to turn this on manually, but it's pretty simple to do. If you navigate to your online store sales channel and customize your current theme, make your way to your product page template that contains your gang sheet option or your file upload option, or wherever it is you're currently accepting files from customers. If on the left hand side here you scroll down to add block in the product information section, you will see in the apps section the old sidebar form, which was the single file uploader, and now there's this new option which is create gang button. This is the new version 2 multi-file button, right? When you click that, it's going to add it down to the very bottom. You can drag that up into place. I'll turn this other one off so we can see this. Drag it to wherever it is you want it to appear on the screen. So in our case, just beneath the variant picker. We've got the rest of the stuff we don't need from the original theme still turned off, the quantity selector and the buy buttons. If we scroll back up to the top, yep, there we go. Give this a second, there we go. Alright, so with this selected, you get a series of options over here. You can pick your logo out from your store. Set your max gang width, your max gang length, your margin, which is the distance added to all sides of uploaded images. Number of inches per sellable unit. If you're selling by the linear inch, change this to 1. If you're selling by the linear foot, change this to 12. If you're doing something else, you can play with this number. It's basically multiplying the total number of inches by, or dividing it by something to get you to a sellable unit. So if it was a 24-inch gang sheet, you divide that by 12 and get quantity 2 added to the cart, which is the number of feet. You can change the text on the button, and of course you have control over the button classes, so you can change the colors or the width or however it is you want this to show up on your theme. Product, you don't have to do anything to. This is just the way we're capturing the product from the page that you're currently on with, when your customer is navigating through your store. Make sure we add the right thing to the cart. Once you're done and you've got this set up the way you want it, start designing. Now, we'll save that, and then we'll go use this in real time. Okay, when customers click that button on your website, it's going to bring them out to this gang sheeting site. They're going to be able to upload files at their discretion. Currently, we're only allowing PNGs for a host of reasons, but it's easy enough to export your art as a PNG. And we'll go ahead and grab like this file and, I don't know, this file. Okay, you can change the width of your images and quantities. Height is locked, so if you are height specific, you're going to have to change your width to get that height to be what it is you want it to be. We've had issues in the past and past iterations where leaving both of these available and editable was causing issues not only with image dimensions, but with these other issues causing things not to make their way into the cart the right way. You'll note the preview live updates, so as we make modifications here. You'll see that update live. And this thing's doing the math along the way. It's minimizing the amount of feet that you need. There we go. Once gang sheet looks the way you want it to look, add it to cart. It's going to go ahead and actually create the gang sheet, and then it's going to send it back to your Shopify store, landing your customer in the cart. Alright, this is the data that's sent back. You can take the time inside your theme to modify the theme code to clean this up a little bit. I'll show you an example of that. If we just hop on this site, and just to make the point here, what I'll do is we'll just grab this one file and 2, 4, 5, 6. All right, 6. Add to cart. All right. This was a previous iteration. You're going to want to ignore that, but you'll note in terms of the data shown to customers on this website, the preview is actually used in the product preview image, and the artwork link itself is hidden entirely. That's really for us anyway on the back end. Once your customer checks out, this is what you're going to get. Orders. So you're going to get the artwork link. This is going to allow you to download whatever the gang sheet was. And of course you'll have the rest of the data, how many copies, height, width, how many feet in our case we sold to them, and this is just a timestamp. It gives you a good idea when they added it to cart. Anyway, look, if you guys got any questions, you know where to reach me. Let me know what you think.